This video is about getting started with the robot quickly. When the robot is mounted on a mounting base, use of compliant number of both strengths not less than grid 8.8. Screwing the robot onto the mounting base. It is recommended to use two compliant pin holes on the mount, with pins for robot positioning, to improve robot mounting accuracy, prevents robot movement due to collisions. 3 interfaces on the control box. You need to connect the power cord, heavy-duty cord, and button box in turn. First, the power cord. Next is the heavy-duty cord. Confirm that there is no abnormality in the male needle. Align insertion and tighten counterclockwise. Finally, connect the button box and tighten it clockwise. Before powering up, release the emergency stop button on the button box clockwise. Button box network port is web app control port. IP address 190.168.58.2. Press the control box red switch button to power up. The end shows a 3-color light cycle. Communication is being established. The end LED is green after successful enablement. Next, open your PC's network and internet settings interface. Select Ethernet, change adapter option. Select the connected Ethernet. Right-click its properties. Select LPv4 to modify. Change to 190.168.58.xx. The last digit cannot be 2. Subnet mask to 55.255.255.0. Click to confirm and save. Then open the browser. Enter URL 190.168.58.2. To enter the robot web app interface, log in account name, admin, password 123. Then you can start operate the robot after successfully log in. The robot is mounted horizontally by default. When the robot installation method is changed, it must be set in the initial basic mounting menu in a timely manner. After the robot installation is complete, the mounting position must be set correctly. Otherwise, it will affect the use of the robot's drag function and the collision detection function. Fixed option to enter the robot fixed mounting method setting page. Select front loading, back loading or side loading. Click the apply button to complete the robot installation method settings. Considering more flexible and rich robot deployment scenarios, we provide a free installation function. Click Free. Go to the robot free installation method settings page to set the angle of freedom. Under the menu bar Initial Base Payload, click on End Payload to go to the End Loads page. Enter the center of mass and mass of the actual and payload. The load mass must not exceed the maximum load range of the robot. The load should be the same as the actual, or it will affect the use of the robot's drag function. Under the menu bar Initial, Basic, Coordinate, click on TCP to go to the Tool Coordinates page. In the drop-down list of the tool's coordinate system, selecting the corresponding coordinate system displays the corresponding coordinate value, tool type, and installation location. Select a coordinate system and click the Apply button. After installing the tool at the end, tool coordinate system must be modified and applied. Attitude of the tool center point not matching the expected values when the robot executes motion commands. Manually teaching the robot movement consists of 2 ways. The first is to drag the record by holding down the end drag button. The second is point and click in the the simulated robot interface. After teaching to the target position, You can save the teaching point at this location. Note that the points need to be used in the same coordinate system as the tool and the workpiece. Click on Program Points to display all saved point information. The current point mode is divided into System Mode and Point Table Mode. You can search for teaching points by name. Add PTP commands to use points Test 1, Test 2, Test 3. Points are added sequentially and applied at once. Switch to automatic mode. Click the Start button and run the program. Click the Pause Resume button to pause, resume the program. Click the Stop button to stop the program from running. When the program is running, the currently executed program node is highlighted in green. That's a quick start. Thanks.